my next dilemma. I've gotten a lot of the small stuff. Everything else is above my head. This branch here, it needs to be cut somewhere so this will fall. It's gonna be a little dicey. I'm gonna get the big saw and I'm gonna go up top there and cut this end off. Wish me luck. It's a bit risky. Maybe I could stand on that. Get something done. Put you on half choke. Come on, bugger. It doesn't want to go. Come on. Talk it into starting. Sweet talk this baby. Come on, Steel. Start for Mama. I'll wear you out just starting it. Some of these, we had one that used to start real nice. Other ones just terrible. Oh. I'm not sure that's gonna happen. Really like to use that big saw on that big cut. It'd be so much easier. I don't think it's gonna happen. Load this stuff up. It's supposed to rain like inches tonight. I'd like to get this up off the ground. guys, cool. Got some wood done. Now I'm heading inside for some grub. It's pizza night, making some za. Oh, one more thing. I gotta do one more thing. You know, it's morel mushroom season. Going around my porch here. And looky what we got right here. Oh yeah, there's like 6 morels right there. That's amazing. So yeah, gonna pick those too. Cool beans. We picked some here last year too. Yeah. 6 morels. Cool. Look at it, look at it, look at it. That'll make a girl happy right there. Except for pizza. Let's go. Alright guys, pizza time. Look at this counter. This is ridiculous. I gotta show you this. Look at this. I have, this is a prop to an upcoming parody. And then I got the mushrooms. Isn't that pretty? And my dough is ready. This is homemade sourdough pizza dough. It's perfect. So, gonna get going. Oh man, that tastes good. This can go. This is the best pizza ever. It's taken me over 10 years to get this right. I can do pizzeria pizza at home. It's so good. What you gotta do is you gotta get the good Italian tomatoes. Get San Marzanos from Italy. You can't scrimp on it, people. This is serious. Because there's so much water in them, I cut them over a colander and then return them back to the sauce. This is basil that my mom dried for me, fresh from the garden. I really love the flavor of basil in the sauce, which is just tomatoes. Straight up just tomatoes and some basil. So I'm just going to grab a slab of this. There's enough here to make bread too. This is homemade sourdough pizza crust. Made it about 2 o'clock today. It's been rising while I was cutting wood. It's a good thing to come inside for is to do pizza. And now goes the sauce, which is just tomatoes with some basil. Sauce was really a mystery for quite a while. I just didn't feel like I was getting it right. And you know what? Simplifying it made all the difference. Just going to straight tomatoes with some basil. Then it really starts to taste like a pizzeria pizza. Alright, next goes the cheese. Cheese does not go on last. It goes on second, right over the sauce. I buy all of my ingredients in bulk and then freeze them in little bags so I can have just enough for pizza night. I build all my pizzas on this parchment so that I can just slide it into the pizza stone. Just like that. Oh, look at that. That's nice. And you pull it out, you use a screen, grab the paper. Look at that. Oh. That is gorgeous. Oh man, look at the goodness there. That is a good looking pizza. That's about as good as you're gonna do at home. You want the pizza? That one? The one with the bubble? Ah! It's mine. Alright, boy, get the pizza.
That bubble is mine.
You can have it. You can have it. Yeah. I give it to you because I love you so much.
That's the only reason you give it to me.
I might lick it though.
Oh, we won't lick that.
Mmm. That's good za. Oh yeah. Mmm. Oh yes. Oh, that is nice. You want to go inside, Squidge?
Look at this cutie. This is the one that you never see. This is Squidgy.
Oh, yeah, this is nice. It's raining now. It's kind of hitting the metal roof of the woodshed, so it sounds good. Got my chores done. I got a good start on that tree today, cut up. Got some homemade pizza, and I get to relax for the rest of the night. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, cutting wood, making some za. It's been a fun day, good day. It always feels good to get some work done, doesn't it? Yeah. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me your comments. Tell me how you spend a typical Saturday. And if you're new to this channel and you'd like to subscribe, hit that button. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me today. It's Brooke Whipple, Girl in the Woods. Until next time. And guys, don't forget to get outside and get happy.
Bye, everybody.